Imagine a village where every road tells a story, every field breathes life, and every person is a vital part of production. Welcome to Palampur, a fictional village that feels very real. Through Palampur's journey, we'll understand the building blocks of any economy: land, labor, and capital, all in action. So, if you've ever wondered how rural India really works, stay with me. Let's decode the entire story together. In Palampur, farming isn't just the main activity, it's the heartbeat of the village. But there's more to life here than just plows and seeds. About 1 in 4 people work in non-farm activities like dairy farming, manufacturing jaggery, running general stores, driving transport vehicles. All these require a mix of what economists call the factors of production: land, the stage on which everything happens; labor, the people doing the work; capital, both tools and money; and human capital, the knowledge and skills to tie it all together. These aren't just textbook terms, they're the gears that keep Palampur running. Here's a question: if the land is fixed, how do you grow more food? Palampur has the answer: multiple cropping. In 1 year, farmers here grow jowar and bajra during monsoon, potatoes in the cooler months, and wheat in winter. But the real boost came with the Green Revolution. Enter HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, and electric tube wells. Listen to this: before the revolution, wheat yield was just 1,300 kilograms per hectare. With HYV seeds, it jumped to 3,200 kilograms per hectare. That's more than double the food from the same plot of land. But every revolution comes at a cost. While yields rose, so did concerns. Too many chemicals damaged the soil's fertility. Overuse of tube wells drained the groundwater. And for small farmers, things got harder. Let's take Savita. She owns just 1 hectare of land. To grow wheat, she needs around 3,000 rupees. With no savings, she borrows at 24% interest and agrees to work for the lender at 100 rupees a day during harvest. It's a cycle: work hard, borrow more, repay, and repeat. Let's do a quick exercise. Suppose farmer A produces 100 kilograms of wheat and consumes 40. He saves the 60 kilograms as surplus. That becomes his capital for next year. If each year production is twice the capital, then in year 2, he produces 2 times 60 is equal to 120 kilograms, consumes 40, and saves 80. By year 3, he produces 160 kilograms. His surplus is growing, and so is his future. But farmer C? He starts with just 60 kilograms, consumes 40, and has only 20 left. Not enough to sustain growth. Without capital, he risks dropping out of farming altogether. Farming may be the main act, but Palampur is buzzing backstage. Mishrilal crushes sugarcane into jaggery using a machine. Kareem opens a computer class in the village, kids love it. Kishora, a former farm laborer, buys a buffalo with a loan, sells milk, and even hauls clay to the potter. What do these stories teach us? That with a little capital, some skills, and good roads, anyone can start something new. And that's the future of rural India. So, what did Palampur teach us? That land, labor, and capital drive the economy. That modern farming can boost yield but demands care. That inequality and credit access are still big challenges. And that non-farm activities are rising with big potential. Palampur may be imaginary, but its story is playing out in thousands of villages across India. And now you understand how it works, from the soil beneath your feet to the economics shaping your future. So what's the way forward? To grow non-farm work, we need to make loans affordable, improve roads and connectivity, and offer skill training in villages. In Palampur, these small steps, like a cart, a shop, or a jug of milk, show us how non-farm activities can shape rural prosperity. They offer a future that's sustainable, inclusive, and full of opportunity.